Well, the first case of the deadly coronavirus has landed in the Southland. A traveler who arrived in Orange County from Wuhan, China, has tested positive for the disease. KCAL9's Joy Benedict is live at the Orange County Healthcare Agency with the latest for us. Joy, certainly frightening news to hear that it's so close to home now.
It is very frightening, but it's also been kind of expected, as a lot of hospitals have been preparing this since there are so many travelers that go between Southern California and China. So they were ready when and if this did in fact happen, and it looks like it has. The Orange County Healthcare Agency telling us last night that they do have the first confirmed case of this strain of the coronavirus here in Southern California. That individual, we are told, is in isolation at a local hospital. Their condition is unknown right now. But of course, the coronavirus has been spreading like crazy in recent weeks all over the world. Take a look at this video new this morning out of China, showing just how many doctors are there at those hospitals trying to make sure that everybody is getting the treatment that they need. In fact, doctors in Wuhan have been treating patients with this new coronavirus in crowded hospitals throughout this festive Lunar New Year holiday. Yesterday, Chinese authorities started deploying doctors from other cities like Shanghai to come and help out there. In all, more than 2,000 people globally have been infected with this new coronavirus, the vast majority of them in China, where 56 people have died from this disease. Now, here in Southern California, as I mentioned, we were inside a hospital just Friday as doctors were telling us that they are prepared and they are ready. What you're going to see is a lot of isolation rooms throughout hospitals, throughout Southern California, really, just in case they do have this type of virus that walks into their ER. And they are screening everyone very quickly, making sure that if someone has a respiratory illness, that they're wearing a mask first thing when they get to the ER. They're trying to figure out if they have the travel history, if they're showing these signs, and if they are, they've moved to those isolation rooms. They're treating this very similarly to the measles, Amy, also a very infectious respiratory illness. So it is something that they are taking very, very seriously here in Southern California and really throughout the world right now, as there are so many unknowns with this particular strain of the coronavirus, one that has clearly become very deadly very quickly. I'll send it back to you.